So it's time to change the oil in the old John Deere LT180. It's got the Kawasaki Twin in it, FH500 Victor. And I just think it's ridiculous to be paying $10+ for a freaking oil filter for that little engine. Actually, as cheap as I could find them on eBay this time for an OEM Kawasaki filter was $9.95 plus $3.95 shipping, and plus now eBay charges tax for everything, so we're talking almost $14.50. And I figured there's got to be a better way. You know, the filter in question from John Deere directly is the AM107423. And I don't even call the dealer anymore for anything that's not dealer-specific parts. So anyway, I thought I'd give a NAPA a try. Gave him a call, since the website isn't much help. But indeed, they do list this 21394 as the appropriate filter for this guy. And they also have a gold version, which you take off the tube, $13.94. It's supposed to be a premium filter. But the good news is $3.99 before tax. Can't beat that. Let's just take a quick look at these side by side. You see they're virtually the same. So outside is about 2.25, and on this one it is also 2.25. On the inside here it is, what is that, 2 3/16. And over here it's exactly the same. Alright, make sure you double check to see that you're going to get the proper filter for your engine, as results may vary and things change over time.